So, I need you to ask a question. Since I'm gonna get Rover for $31, which is cheaper, I'm not gonna order him yet. I think that's fall sale on Turbo Squid, and it's save up for 50% off. By the way, I cannot get him for $45, which is too much money. Now, let's check this preview. You know Rover wants to be a guardian, and this cartoon dog is for $31, for sale. Not $45, for a lot of money. If you like me what you say, this software is for Autodesk 3ds Max 2010, default scanline. Oh, that's clever. Also, I ordered Penguin Chico for $15, since I already ordered it yesterday. Because of that, Nathaniel will not spend all his money for a million times what I said. Now, this software is for Poser 6 Plus. In Test Studio, Penguin Chico model doesn't work anyway, but it's nothing happened. Occasionally, this might work on Poser software, in order to import the penguin in here. I'm gonna have to get Rover the dog until the next season, or I'm gonna upgrade to Windows 11 in order to install 3ds Max 2017. Alright, that's all. I'll be back soon, anytime you want. Hee hee.